when you install SD RAM, it only goes in one way. RAM only goes in one way. So I'm basically going to use the first two slots. So these two right here, and this one's going to be blank because that's going to be where my 512 stick goes when I get it. Basically, you line up the hole, line up the three-way prom. It goes like this. Very gently push down. There, sticker rams in. So I'm just gonna do this one real quick. Alright, ram's done. I don't know if I should put the hard drive in now or what. Nope. Put the fan in first. Right now, yeah, this fan's a little dusty, but it'll work. Should have cleaned it before I even start putting it in here. This is basically the exhaust fan for the back. Goes right here. Line the fucking holes up. Alright, and it only uses two big screws like that. Matter of fact, I don't even think I want to even put this fan in there. But I don't want to have it overheating. I've always had problems installing a fan in here. Alright. I think this is going in. Alright. Alright. That one's done. Yeah, no stuck stock. Wait till after. Till after I'm done. Which I'm halfway done now. Fan's done. Next will probably have to be the hard drive. Show you how easy putting a hard drive in is. This case has these green things that lock the things in, so you don't have to screw them in. We'll have to lock the hard drive in. So hard drive goes like this. make sure this is unlocked. I'm going to put it down here. I can put shift. Well, if I do that, you know what? I'm going to put it at the bottom of this one. Okay, come on, bitch. Alright, and when you have the hard drive in, you lock it in, and it's not coming out. Alright, that's done. No, I gotta find out where the power switch goes to. So, lighter. Wait, I have my diagram somewhere around here.